So you just bought a vehicle from Auto Factory. Congratulations, here's what happens next. Once your down payment is paid in full and insurance is set, your vehicle will begin its journey through our mechanical reconditioning process. First, one of our experienced service technicians will take your vehicle for a test drive, listening for unusual noises, monitoring drive quality, and using diagnostic equipment to ensure your vehicle systems are operating properly. Next, the vehicle is brought into one of our service bays, placed on a lift, and thoroughly inspected. Our technicians assess the vehicle's condition, look for signs of abnormal wear, and determine any repairs needed to meet Auto Factory's quality standards. Every vehicle goes through a rigorous multi-point inspection. We check the vehicle from front to back. A full list of components we inspect can be found on our website. Once all mechanical services are completed, the vehicle is test driven again to verify it's ready for the road. This process typically takes 1 to 3 days, depending on parts availability. Your vehicle then moves into the reconditioning department, or as we call it, Recon. Here, it receives a deep cleaning inside and out, ensuring you get that new-to-you feeling when you pick it up. This step usually takes a few hours. And finally, once all steps are completed, your vehicle is ready for pickup. Congratulations again, and we're excited to hand over the keys.